Hi my friends, and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be going over 3 more letters. We're going to be going over H, I, and J. We're going to learn how they look, how they sound, and how to write them. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first letter is H. Now as you can see by this picture, this guy right here is tired, and he's sitting on the letter H as if it were a chair. When we do the letter H sound, we're actually going to be using our shoulders and shrugging them. We're also going to be having our voice turned off. So we're going to take a deep breath, our shoulders are going to go up, and we're going to breathe out really, really loud, like this. That's the letter H sound. Let's do it together 3 times. Ready? Go. Very good. Now when we're looking at the letter H, the 2 ways you can write it are uppercase and lowercase. Both uppercase and lowercase are tall. However, there are some differences. Uppercase H has all straight lines. Lowercase h has one little curve, and we're going to figure out how to write them right now. So when we write uppercase H, we're starting all the way at the top because it's a tall letter. So we're going to go all the way to the top, and we're going to make 2 lines going straight down. Remember, they're long. Ready? Start all the way at the top and down. Pick up your marker. We're going to go right next to it over here. We're going to give it some space. Start all the way at the top and down. And now we have to connect these 2 lines. So we're going to move from one line, go horizontal, like that. Let's do it together. Grab your marker, and starting all the way at the top, we're going to go down, right next to it, all the way at the top, and down. And now we're going to connect it with another line. Ready? Horizontal. That's uppercase H. Now for lowercase h, almost the same. We're going to go ahead, start all the way at the top, and down. We're not picking up our marker. We're going to do a hump. Ready? And hump. Let's do it together. Grab your markers, and we're going to start all the way at the top and going down. Don't pick up the marker. And hump. Very good. We did the letter H. Now here are some words that start with the letter H. Let's see if you can say them as soon as I put up the card. Ready? Okay. What's this a picture of? Yes, it's a horse. What about this picture? It looks good, right? What is it? It's a hot dog. Very good. The next one. This is going to be tricky. This is going to be a challenge. Ready? Now it looks like a chair, but if we look at the word, it starts with the letter H. And the H says, this is a chair for babies. It's called a high chair. Very good. What's this a picture of? Right, a hat. Very good, my friends. The next letter we're going to look at is the letter I. Now you can see that letter I has a basketball in his hand, and he's also got a hoop. Now if you're at a basketball game, you want the basket to go in the hoop. So just like this buddy who's pointing down, we're going to use that same hand motion when we make the letter I sound. Our voices are going to be turned on, and we're going to be making sure our mouth is open, and we're going to make the I sound. It sounds like this. Eh. Make sure your voice is turned on. Ready? One more time. Eh. Now we're going to do it together 3 times. Ready? Go. Eh. 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 Very nice. Now let's see how we write the letter I. Now like all letters, I can be written in two ways, uppercase and lowercase. As you can see, uppercase I is really tall. Lowercase I is a little bit shorter. So we're going to practice writing uppercase and lowercase I. When writing uppercase I, we start all the way at the top, and we're going to write one long line going down. Ready? Down. Very good. Now we're going to write two horizontal lines that go across at the top and at the bottom. Ready? Line, line. Let's do it together. Grab your marker, and starting all the way at the top, we're going to go down. Ready? Down. And now two little lines going horizontal. Line, line. Very good. Now, lowercase I is super easy. Watch. Now it's a little shorter, which means we're not starting all the way at the top. We're going to find a place in the middle. So we're going to write a little line going down, like this. Line. And now all we have to do is draw a little dot on top. That's it. Let's do it together. Grab your marker. Pick somewhere nice in the middle and write a little line going down, and then draw a little dot. That's the letter I. Good job. Here's some words that start with the letter I. Let's see if you can say the word as I show the picture. It's a little tricky. When you're going to someone's birthday party, they send you this. This is called an invitation. You see these up north in really, really cold places. This is called an igloo. This is ice cream. And not just any ice cream. This is mint chocolate chip ice cream. My favorite. We see these all over Florida, right? Is this an iguana? Now we're going to move on to the last letter. This is the letter J. As you can see, this has air coming out and a hand motion where both hands are going to be pushing out. As you can see, this letter is jumping over a flame. So it's hot. So he's jumping over the flame. And we're going to be making a sound where our voice is turned on. Ready? We're going to put both hands out and we're going to push so that we can push ourselves and jump over the candlestick. Now, let's try it together. Starting with our teeth together, we're going to say the sound like this. J. Try it again. Ready? J. Now let's do it together 3 times. Ready? Go. J, J, J. Nice. Let's practice writing it. So letter J has very similar strokes when we're talking about writing it. This is uppercase J and this is lowercase j. They look pretty similar because they both have upside down hooks. I see a difference though. Do you see the difference? What is the difference? One difference is that uppercase J is taller than lowercase j. And another difference is on the top of uppercase J, there's a line, whereas on the top of lowercase j, there's a dot. So let's practice writing it. When we do uppercase J, we start all the way at the top, and we're going to be making an upside down hook. So we start all the way at the top. We're going to go down and hook. And then we're going to put a horizontal line at the top. Ready? Line. Let's do it together. Grab your markers. We're going to start all the way at the top and down and hook. And now a line going across at the top. Line. Very good. Now for lowercase j, almost the same thing. We're going to start in the middle this time. We're going to go down and hook, and we're going to write just a little dot on top. Let's do it together. Grab your marker. Starting in the middle, we're going to go down and hook and dot. Good job. We just did letter J. All right, here are the last set of cards that we're going to go over. These are cards that have words that start with the letter J. I'm going to hold up the pictures and you're going to tell me what they are. Ready? What are these? Jelly beans. This can be tricky. I do see a lot of diamonds and rubies, rings and necklaces, but all of those combined are called jewelry. Do you know what this is? Right, it's juice. Last card. Let's see if you can get it. Ready? Ooh, it's tough. Let's see. Your mom or dad or grandma and grandpa probably know what this is. Let's ask them. Do you know what these are? Yep, they're jacks. Good job, my friends. That's it for our phonics for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, I wish you well and hope to see you soon. Bye. See you in the next video.